Massachusetts is an equitable distribution state and an all property state. Massachusetts courts can consider and divide all property of either spouse in a divorce proceeding, regardless of when it was acquired. Premarital property, gifts, and inheritances are all potentially divisible, though courts have discretion to protect clearly separate property in appropriate circumstances. Massachusetts courts apply a multi-factor equitable analysis, considering the length of the marriage, conduct of the parties during the marriage, contributions, economic circumstances, and the needs of each party. Marital fault can be a relevant factor in Massachusetts property division. For creditors, the all property approach in Massachusetts means that divorce proceedings produce a comprehensive accounting of all assets, premarital and marital, which can be a valuable source of asset information. Massachusetts's homestead exemption is up to $500,000 under the Massachusetts Homestead Act, available to homeowners who file a declaration of homestead with the Registry of Deeds. This substantial exemption protects significant equity for Massachusetts homeowners who have properly recorded the declaration. Automatic homestead. Massachusetts provides a modest automatic homestead of $125,000 for homeowners who haven't filed a formal declaration. For the full $500,000 protection, the homeowner must file the declaration of homestead. For creditors, knowing whether the debtor has filed a declaration of homestead is an important preliminary step. It determines how much equity is accessible. Wage garnishment in Massachusetts. Massachusetts law limits wage garnishment to 15% of gross earnings per week, which is more protective of debtors than the federal standard in most income ranges. Tenancy by the entirety. Massachusetts recognizes tenancy by the entirety, protecting jointly held property from individual creditors of either spouse. People Locator. Skip tracing investigates Massachusetts homestead filings and identifies debtor assets accessible above the exemption threshold. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.